24th letter of Urdu alphabet is Ain. Ain. It is somewhat similar to Alif in sound, but it is a glottal sound and is produced at the back of the throat. There is no equivalent letter of Ain to give its sound in English. So first of all, we will see the difference between Alif and Ain. Alif, Ain. It sounds as a, and it sounds a. Is glottal sound and produced at the back of the throat. We cannot use Alif instead of Ain or Ain instead of Alif, because sometimes there is a lot of difference in meaning of the words. For example, Alif Zabar A, Re Zabar Ra and Be. Arab. Arab. It is pronounced Arab. Arab. It means 1,000 million. Arab. Arab from Alif is a figure equivalent to 1,000 million. And Arab is with Ain. Ain Zabar A, Re Zabar Ra and Be. Arab. 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 Arab means Arab. Arab nations. Arab nations. Arab. And Arab with Alif is a figure equivalent to 1,000 million. Arab. If we Ain plus Ain plus Ain, how do we write? Ain plus Ain plus Ain. We write this way. This is Ain at the beginning of a word, this is Ain at the middle of a word, and this is Ain at the end of a word. This is Ain, Ain, Ain at the beginning of a word, and another word is joined here. This is Ain at the middle of the word. First letter is joined here and next letter is joined here. This is Ain at the end of the word. The letter before Ain is joined here. Ain Zabar A and Jazm over Be, Ab and Dal. Abd. Abd. Abd means slave. Abd means slave. Abd means slave. Be Zabar Ba, Ain, Dal, Bad, Bad. Be Zabar Ba, Ain, Dal. Bad. Bad. Bad means after. After. Bad means after. To Zabar Ta, Be zabar ba, and ain, taba. Taba, taba. Taba means temperament. Taba means temperament. Taba means temperament.